Hello everybody, today I will be making a very easy and simple barbecue. I will be making a mixture of meats like pork, spare ribs, and chicken, and some bison as well. The bison I will be making it into shish kebabs. This is a really quick video, mostly to explain why I haven't been uploading the videos lately. Well, I've been very busy lately, also packing up, and because we moved to a different place, we're not living at the same place anymore, so you might see a few videos with different kitchen range and different it won't be the same kitchen. I just wanted to let you know, just in case you're wondering, okay, how many kitchens does she have? No, it's just one kitchen. I still have like 4 videos that I have not edited, so you will be seeing some old videos and mixed up with some new videos. Yeah, that's the explanation for that one. So now I'm going to be making some delicious ribs. All I do is simple. Here I have some cumin, and I'll be using salt and some garlic powder. Simple, very easy. When it comes to pork meat, I only like to add just salt and pepper, or just salt and garlic powder. Simple. Only the pork I do that. For the other meats, I always add cumin, or what other spices that you love to use, you use them. Okay, so I'm unfolding the rib, making it straight, so I'm going to salt it. I'm going to sprinkle it, lightly sprinkle, not pouring, because we don't want it to be extremely salty at all. So very lightly, as you can see, I'm lightly salting it, and with your 2 fingers you can just rub it all over so all the salt spreads everywhere. My apologies if the video seems a bit shaky. It's because I'm trying to film with one hand and with the other season. I'm trying. Next, I'm adding garlic powder. And with my 2 fingers, I spread it all over. And this is what I teach my boys. I have a 33-year-old and a 24-year-old, and and I have a small boy too. He's 9. So I make sure I teach them how to season, how to cook, so that way whenever they're on their own, they know what to do. Okay, so I will finish seasoning all my meats. I have chicken, and I also have bison already. So I already put them on this grill here that is built from my husband. He just bought some bricks and just built it like that. I love it still. It's kind of broken up, but it still works. It still works. I love it. And here it is. My ribs are there, and my chicken is almost burned, but hey, I love it still. It tastes so good. Anything done on wood is delicious. Yummy. Here I have some already done. I have some onions that I did on there too, and I have some shish kebabs with bison here, which I use peppers and zucchini. That's about it. Yum yum, everything looks so good. Yes, my friends, that's how easy and simple it is. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos. Comment below, thumbs up, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.